Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is Sunday, happy Sunday and Selamat Hari Raya to everyone. First I want to thank everyone for supporting this channel. Now this channel is closing to almost 2,000 subscribers, right? 1.8. So hopefully in a few more days we can hit 2,000. So remember, if you are new here, okay, remember to subscribe to my channel. I do 6 video every week. 12. 6 English and 6 Chinese, right? So every day when there's market, I do a video every day, 2 video every day. Okay, I'm talking on the interest topic in the market and the chart analysis on the market. Also include the news and some current events, right? And also every Sunday I'll do a recap of all the stuff that I talk about every day. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoy the show. And remember, if you are new here, subscribe and hit the bell. Okay, and for all the existing viewers, thank you very much. And remember, like and share my video. So okay, today we want to go through. There are some questions. Okay, thank you everyone for supporting Mr. Su, Madam Ma, Jamie, Mick or Mike. So there are some questions here. Okay, this talks about there are others net traders, right? Other organization wanted to short the market possible. That's why we want to look at support resistance. Okay, see what are they doing. Because part of the reason that the stock has been coming down is due to the short selling, okay, of some of the organization. So this one, Mr. Su asked about, you want to invest long term around 1 year, which stock you will recommend? Server Dynamic, Genting or Asia? Okay, let's later we talk about this. This is my opinion, it's not investment advice. Okay, this one, Mike, Mick 69. I want to ask about the metal stock. Okay, we look at the metal stock later. And Mr. Chia asked about TENANGA, Maybank, and Petronas Gas. Okay, we'll take a look also. And John Matthews got reply. Okay, thank you for the detailed explanation of the video. So I believe the glove price have been heavily manipulated. Yes. Okay, definitely is manipulated. Okay, or else the market shouldn't have worked out, right? The market should not have worked out the way that it is doing now. Okay, it should not be this way. Okay, it means the fundamental is going up and the price is going down. So now we talk about all this at the end of the video. Okay, there's a question about quarter. Okay, follow-up question. So this one I will touch later shortly. Okay, Nicholas, the 第一个留言. Okay, very thanks for the support. Okay, so let's go into the market first. Okay, we want to talk about all the stock that we talked about last week, and before that, we want to go into of course, the index is most important. Okay, we want to follow the index, what the whole market is doing. Okay, we want to have we want to provide clarity here. Okay, we want to know before we want to invest. We want to know whether the market is bullish, bearish. Okay, bearish we have to be careful, right? We don't put all the bullet in a bearish market, and whether it's sideways market. Okay, sideways market also be careful. If we're in the bull market, okay, then we can think about putting all the bullet in, right? Bullet, you know what's bullet, right? Okay, so KLCI, okay, we talk about 1613, long time, because it's sideways market, we talk about 1613 and 1574. Okay, 1613, there's a lot of pressure, okay, cannot go up, and 1613, there's a lot of support, you see, right? 1574, 1574, a lot of support, you see, whenever it dropped below 1574, okay, it got pushed, the second day it got pushed back up. So another time it reached 1574, push back up. Another time reached 1574, push back up. Another time dropped way below 1574, push back up. Another time, okay, this 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, 1 week, this weekly chart. Okay, another time it went below 1574, push back up. So here again last week, okay, last week, not this week, this week is dodgy, okay, no direction. Okay, another time went below, it push up. So there is many support here, okay. There are a certain party, okay, that doesn't let it to go below. Actually, more than that. Here, you know how strong this support. Okay, how strong this support is. This is a very 1574 is a very strong support. Okay, so there are organization, party, certain party not letting it fall below the support. Okay, because once fall, okay, it will be ugly. Okay, once fall, okay, possible all the organization, okay, all the foreign fund, all those might run. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, to make sure that okay the market is still healthy. Okay, so you can see how strong they are defending this level, how strong is defending this level, right? Since December, right? Okay, since November, okay, they are defending this level, right? It never closed. Okay, other than this one, okay, other than 1 week. Okay, it never closed below that. Okay, every time it closed below, it is doing push up. Okay, so this is important, but the problem is after the push up, there's no continuation. Means there's no energy. This is still supporting. Means the market is not bullish. Okay, if there's bullish market, okay, if a bullish market means after okay it got push up, okay, then the market will continue slowly go up, right? So this is only to support. Right? There is no energy. Okay, no optimism in the market. Okay, of course. Okay, our COVID is now going up for how many? 5,000, 4,000. I'm not sure. The last one I heard is 4,000 over. Maybe take a check, see what happened. Okay, so this is yesterday result. Case baru, new cases still over 4,000. Okay, despite the start of MCO, there's still a lot of people already infected by the virus before the MCO. So now they are slowly, okay, hopefully the MCO okay can actually stop a lot of this cluster to develop. Okay, so still above 4,000. So we cannot expect the market to be bullish. Okay, except the glove counter start to goring, right? So we haven't seen any real goring of the glove counter yet. Okay, so this one have to wait and see. Okay, this week is no direction. Okay, this week is it's a pin bar. Actually, it's a small pin bar. Okay, not a very powerful pin bar. It's a pin bar. It's a supported, but okay, it remain up is yet to be seen. So this is still neutral coming up to next week. Okay, there's no breakout. Okay, there's no breakout. Okay, for bullish or indication or breakdown for bearish indication. So we still expect. Okay, next week possible. Okay, a neutral market. Okay, means possible a sideways market until we see a break. So let's go into the index. So consumer, we are still waiting for okay. Remember I talked about here, right? All the oversold. We're still waiting for V-shaped rebound. Okay, so this one we are still waiting. So the market is still going down. Okay, there's support over here later around 603. Okay, 603. Now the price is around 613, 603. The index possible. Okay, the opportunity, but we have to wait and see. Okay, possible maybe near to the end of the MCO, possible there's opportunity to rebound. I don't think there's opportunity to rebound now with the MCO and enforcement. Consumption similar, okay, consumption similar, dropping, okay, consumption also similar to consumer, okay, oversold, rebound, oversold, big rebound, oversold, rebound, V-shaped rebound, all these V-shaped recovery, right? So this one also oversold, uh, nearly oversold, not yet oversold, so this may continue to drop before a rebound. So this one we still wait for the V-shaped recovery. Once the V-shaped recovery start, then it's our time to go into the market, okay. No point to go into market when the market is like we have a bearish sentiment right now, right? What's no point, because no point to swim against the against the river upstream, right? We want to follow the river when the river flow. Okay, let's say uh, a fight against the wind, not to say the river. Okay, we want to go for A to B, but the wind now is blowing from B to A. Okay, if we are sailing, okay, we don't want to sail at this time, right? Because the wind is blowing from B to A. Okay, we want to go A to B. Okay, so we wait for the wind to change, blowing from A to B. Then it's our time to set sail, right? Why do we want to sail from A to B when the wind is blowing from B to A, right? So, okay, something like that. Hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. Okay, construction, finance. Okay, so finance is a long-term downtrend, short-term downtrend, long-term downtrend. Okay, so finance, uh, here what looks like a small rebound, but there's no breakout. Okay, so continue to wait. Okay, continue to wait for a better sign. Okay, stronger sign breakout. Okay, if it wanted to rebound. Okay, this is too early to tell. Okay, whether it want to rebound or not. But here already looks like, okay, it did a V shape, similar quite a V shape. Okay, but we are not sure yet. Okay, don't jump the gun. Okay, wait for it to make a better, okay, signal, better sign, okay, stronger sign. Then only we take a look at deeper. We look deeper at each stock instead. Okay, rather than just the index. We want to have a clarity. Okay, we want to see and understand more. Energy. So energy, right, started a rebound. Okay, it went up a little bit, but still then it went down. Okay, because oil has been fluctuating, but still keeping quite high. The oil price is still okay. I think let's see the oil price today. 68, 65. Okay, still okay. Okay, looks like this one still okay. Now sideways. Okay, as long as don't drop below 877. Okay, we still can hold. Okay, industry is still holding, but start to have selling pressure. Okay, be careful with industry. Industry has been slowly having a growth. Okay, industry is slowly growing, but now looks like there are some selling pressure. Okay, some selling pressure, but not a very big drop yet. Okay, but this is some selling pressure, so we need to be careful on this one. Okay, and the price has been holding, something like a sideways market. Possible this one start of a sideways market. Okay, see what happened here. Okay, we start monitor this sideways market. Okay, this box, see what happened to this box. Okay, whether it can go above or go down. Okay, if go down then short term bearish, if go above then still bullish. Okay, this one be careful. Okay, this one is 50-50. Healthcare. Okay, healthcare. I already talked about the healthcare. This video. Okay, so this video. Okay. My long-term view about glove stock. Okay, so this video is the one that you want to watch on healthcare because I talk about it in depth. So logistic is a little bearish, already dropped below the trend line, but it's still inside this channel, but a little bearish. Okay, a little bearish. So be careful holding the stock, but still, okay, price is still making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Okay, looks this one. Okay, be careful this one. Make sure it don't continue to drop. Okay, if it continue to drop below this level, okay, then there is some danger. Okay, so this one neutral currently. Okay. Technology is very dangerous. Technology already make lower low, lower high. Okay, looks like it wanted to make lower low. Okay, I talked about 7782. Now it dropped below already 7738. Okay, looks like it might still want to go down. Okay, but still holding at this area. It continue to drop means okay, means danger. Okay, dangerous holding the technology stocks. Okay, now already drop, but if continue to drop again, okay, means this is bearish towards the technology stock already. Okay, so this one be careful. Technology stock, we wait for another few days, 1-2 days, see whether it can rebound here. Okay, if it rebound here, then possible opportunity for a double bottom. Okay, double bottom means opportunity to go back up. Okay, if the price continue to drop below, come back here, okay, retest, go down again, okay, means this is a bearish sign. Okay, means the price, means the technology sector will continue to drop. Okay, this is the already first sign. We want to look at the confirmation. The second sign, which is the break of 77882. Okay, property also we wait for the V-shaped recovery. So property continue to drop. So we wait for the V-shaped recovery after the price do a V-shape. Okay, likely. Okay, likely. After MCO, I think you only can do a rebound. Okay, during MCO, I don't think there's so much. Or near the end of MCO, possible there's a rebound. Then if there's a rebound, once we can see a V-shaped recovery, then it's a time to enter back to the property. Plantation, you see plantation, I talked about this area. I highlighted this area. Okay, plantation, remember I talked about this area. 7117, right? This area, right? This rebound should be just a short rebound, right? Because we want to see it to break through. Okay, that day it broke through, it went up, but then got sold down. Okay, got sold down means there's a lot of selling pressure here. Okay, so we want to see whether it can hold above in the next few days. Okay, it can hold above means there is possibility that it can continue to go up. Okay, if it got sold down straight away, next week open, it got sold down again, right? Means this could be a false break. Okay, a false alarm. Means the price could continue to go down. So this one, when they hold down another few days and see. So telecom continue sideways. Okay, it's continue sideways. Okay, so we want to see whether this one 709 can rebound. If cannot rebound, continue to go down, means okay, likely this telecommunication is going on the downtrend. Okay, let's look at the individual stock that we talked about last week in Nari. Okay, so Inari is at previous support here, the previous low so we don't want it to go any lower. Okay, the previous low. Okay, so we don't want it to go any lower. If the price continue to go lower, okay, so better cut loss. Okay, because this one maybe can continue to drop. Okay, maybe can continue to drop. Cut first, wait for a good opportunity, then only we want to go in. SPSETIA. So SPSETIA now, right, we are at the bottom of channel, so there is a possibility of buy, okay, buy bottom, sell top channel, buy bottom channel, sell top channel. So we are at the bottom channel, so it started to U-turn, but not very strong, okay, not very strong. So this is opportunity here, okay, there's an opportunity here that the price might continue to go up, okay. So buy bottom channel and sell the top channel, okay. If want to take this trade, okay, the cut loss will be below 1005. Okay, if you want to take this trade, the cut loss will be below 1005, and selling will be between 1.2 to 1.375. Okay, it's a top here. Which is around 25%. Okay, 25% versus the a drop of 6%. Okay, 6% versus 25%. Okay, so this is a possible. Okay, this is a possible opportunity here. Okay, but the problem is MCO. The problem is MCO. Whether want to buy, for me, even myself, I got a bit of doubt because of the MCO. Okay, current condition. So and the market is optimism is not optimistic at all. So even me, so I still hesitate. If now we are at our market is we are not MCO, we are still in the recovering. Means the market is still is still in the recovery, right? And no MCO, all this. So this one, okay, I will take this trade. Okay, but now I'm still 50-50 because of the current market condition. Okay, and MCO, and this is a consumer, right? This is no doubt it's construction, but still it's a part of it requires the purchasing power of the consumer, and now the consumer have no purchasing power, right? If the consumer got a purchasing power, right, it would have already went up. But this one still nonetheless is still an opportunity, 50-50, because of the current condition, current economy condition. ECOWORLD. So ECOWORLD is still on a correction. We wait for the breakout on the correction, then maybe opportunity breakout with volume. Okay, so this one wait for the correction to break up. MAHSING. So MAHSING continue to hold. Okay, already got one spike, now coming back down. Okay, most likely I said MAHSING you have to. Okay, MAHSING most likely U-shaped recovery. Okay, will take more time, longer time to go up. Okay, but I think the price will continue to go up. It will continue slowly to continue to go up. ARMADA, now we talk about oil, energy stock. So ARMADA, okay, middle channel already went up, now come back down, but oil is still strong. So this one hold above Okay, 0.39. Okay, if the price did not break down below 0.39, can hold possible, okay, towards 0.5. Dayang. Okay, Dayang also at the bottom channel rebound, rebound then come back down. Okay, so this one 1.33. Okay, already buy in, hold above 1.33. Okay, if drop below 1.33, maybe want to cut loss. Okay, target will be 1.7 towards 2.1. Okay, between 1.7 towards 2.1. About top of the channel, Okay, top of the channel. Draw a channel over here. Okay, so the target will be near the top of the channel. So it's not exactly, remember, the price will not stop exactly, okay, at our line, because our line is just a reference, okay. Price move in normally price follow sorry, this is just a reference, okay. This is an area, okay, so the price can stop below or above, okay. So there's no rule that, okay, that say that it must touch the top. Okay, hibiscus similar, bottom of the channel now going back up, so hold above 0.61. Okay, if we drop below, maybe sell. Okay, hold until 0.78 to 0.74 to 0.81. HENGYUAN, so HENGYUAN slightly, okay, breakout, slightly came back down, also the same thing, okay. Yeah, if holding HENGYUAN, look at 5.16, if below 5.16, cut loss. Okay, if want to hold maybe above, hold to 6.3, 6.9. SPSETIA already spoken. PADINI is consumer, so don't expect consumer to rebound so fast. Okay, so it's doing a pattern, so wait for breakout. We want to see a breakout with volume, okay, then possible, okay, breakout above 2.96 with volume, possible the opportunity. And Hari Raya already, okay, Hari Raya shopping already finished. Hari Raya is we are still in Hari Raya mode. Excuse me, Hari Raya mode and Hari Raya mode, but the Hari Raya shopping possible already finished. Okay, this one we want to see to continue to go up will be unlikely, right? But possible, okay, if they post this quarter a big profit, right? Possible. So you wait and see. Okay, now MYEG is forming a bearish channel. Okay, so now it's at the bottom. Now it got support over here. Okay, so we want to see whether here it can rebound and break out or not. Okay, means break out of this channel, right? Okay, you can break out, then possible opportunity 1.975. EG just published that they got contract for making router for the US. So this one is still in the channel. We want to see a breakout of the channel. Okay, breakout channel, best is break above 0.81. Okay, break above 0.81. Then okay, there's opportunity 0.85, 0.945. Okay, and possible above. Okay, 1.13. SLVEST. So SLVEST it's on a downtrend pattern. So wait and see what it does. Okay, so this one is it's not clear. Even for me, it's not clear. Okay, what it will do. So this one we wait and see. ANCOM. So ANCOM is doing a correction. Okay, so we want to see what pattern is forming a pattern, but we are not sure what pattern is forming. Wait for okay, a few more days to see what pattern you want to do. A flag, okay, a triangle, or a wedge. Okay, so this one, but now definitely it's not the time to buy yet. Okay, it's not the time to buy yet. NYLEX. And NYLEX also at the top looks like forming a triangle. You want to see whether there's any breakout from the top of triangle or bottom triangle, then we see what, okay, what is next. Okay, but this is already higher. Buying now is chasing high, just like ANCOM, so not a good time to buy. Okay, will be like chasing high. So this one we wait and see. AXIATA. So we see the index, right? The telecom is sideways, so AXIATA, okay, we say hold about 0.367, now it's at around this area, right? So this one possible hold a few more days. Okay, if we continue to go down, maybe want to cut. It cut already, never mind. Okay, it cut already. Okay, wait for the price to see whether it will rebound or not. Okay, if the price can rebound, go back up. Okay, go back up above 3.7. Okay, then there is a possibility, okay, opportunity to, okay, to invest back into the stock. Okay, but we want to see, wait for the bullish sign in the index first. Okay, the telecommunication index. Okay, those are the stock. Okay, so we look at, we want to go into some question. Okay, reply some question to see. So, Mr. Su, if I want to invest long term around 1 year, which stock that you will recommend? Super Dynamic, Genting or AIRASIS? Okay, this one is not investment advice. This is just my opinion, how I see the market. Okay, so don't take this. Okay, take this with a grain of salt. Okay, so before we want to see, okay, we want to talk about investment. Okay, we want to see risk. Okay, so investment risk goes, okay, goes up. Profit opportunity, okay, profit goes up, right? Okay, means profit opportunity. More, no risk, no gain, right? More risk means more gain. Okay, depends on how much risk you want to take. Okay, so risk less, okay, profit also less. Okay, so depends on the risk, okay, that certain investor want to take. Okay, in the stock market, it's like that. Okay, but now we want to talk about long term. Though this one looks like want to be safe. Okay, want to be safe. Okay, so we analyze the stock first. First, we take a look at AirAsia. Okay, investment long term 1 year, right? If you want to be safe, first thing, okay, we of course we want to invest in a profitable company, right? Means the profit okay, is going up, right? We don't want to don't want to investment, right? We are investing, right? Something that value increase, right? We want to invest in something that a value increase. Okay, means the company, okay, is increasing their value. Okay, means they're making more profit, making more earning per share, all those, right? So we don't want to invest in company that's losing money, means they are a company that is losing its value, right? We want to invest in something that is increasing its value. Let's say I want to invest in a car and a house. Okay, why we say we buy car? Nobody say I invest in car, right? People say, hey, I want to invest in property, I invest in a house. Okay, property, a house. Nobody say I invest in car. Why? Because when you buy the car, you take out the car out, you already lost 5 to 10% of the value of the car, right? So if you sell the car, let's say you bought the car for 120,000, you take out, you drive 2 days, you want to sell it, maybe already 110,000, right? So nobody invests in something that is losing value, right? And a house, okay, we know that the house every year go up in value, right? 5%, maybe 10%, depends on the area. Okay, so that one is investment. So also invest in company, also the same, right? We want to invest in company that increase their value every year, right? Rather than decrease the value every year, right? So we see the value. This is purely. I mean, this channel, right, is mostly technical analysis. We are all heavy technical here, less fundamental. Okay, so for fundamental, I can only touch up to this level. Okay, and there are a few other fundamental guys on the internet. Okay, maybe you can check out if you want further fundamental analysis. So we follow the technical, because technical tell us, right, fundamental is one thing, just like the glove we talked about yesterday, right? Talked about 2 days ago, the glove stock. Okay, fundamental is absolutely strong like mad. Okay, unbelievably strong, but the price is coming down. So fundamental does not always equals to price, right? So what we want to see in chart is we want to track the price. Okay, price tells us what it is doing now. Okay, what are the sentiment of the market? What is the history of the market, and where are the opportunity? Okay, so that's why we track using the chart. We can see exactly what is happening to the chart. Okay, fundamental is one thing, but now you're talking about long term. Because long term, we want to buy something that is increasing in value, right? Asia. Okay, Asia, look at the P&L, right? So Asia has been doing well. Revenue has been going up. 2018 going up, 2019 going up, but 2020, okay, from 12 billion, 3.1 billion, and heavy losses 5.1 billion. Okay, 5.1 billion big heavy losses means, okay, this is decreasing in value. Okay, and losing money for now. Okay, and we can see COVID. Okay, we have not the battle against COVID is not yet won. Yet, okay, in Malaysia, right? So this is a high risk. Okay, high risk, and this is a currently, okay, its value is going down. Okay, so this is for long term. Okay, long term, I talked about long term and less risk, safe investment. This is not, okay, not a long term safe investment, right? This is a high risk investment. But when we say, okay, the risk is high also, okay, the risk is high, okay, the gain also possibly is higher. Okay, that's why Asia last run, right, last V-shaped recovery, right, I mentioned back 50%, right, out of the Asia stock. Okay, 50% is not easy to get. Okay, unless you go for those a crazy goring stock. Okay, that one you might win a lot and you might bleed. Okay, you might bleed. So this one high risk high gain. Okay, high risk high gain. So the second one we want to talk about is Genting. Okay, very good income. This is long term. Okay, during the sorry here. Okay, 1015, 1617. Okay, this is safe. Okay, it's going down. It's going up slowly. Okay, so this is good. Okay, good investment, and but the profit is not very stable. Okay, but still profitable. 1.4 billion. Okay, not bad. Only 1 year that is doing no good. Okay, but after the pandemic year, okay, 2020, a loss, a big loss, 2.3 billion. Okay, so this one is also, okay, now its value is going down. Okay, so this one, okay, for investment, okay, not also, okay, not to say it will not go up. Okay, it's still a good investment, but you are taking higher risk. Okay, means there's possibility. Okay, this one might take a few years. Okay, 2-3 years, just like Asia, it might take 2-3 years only it can profit back. Okay, so this one maybe 2-3 years also. Once you buy now, okay, your stock might not go up. Okay, but we don't know yet. Okay, we want to see. Okay, as I said, this is consumer. Okay, we want to see the V-shaped recovery. Okay, this is without talking the chart analysis that we can see in the chart analysis that fundamental cannot see, right? We can see in the chart analysis, fundamental we cannot see. So now we want to talk about the fundamental first. We're talking about fundamental, purely fundamental. Okay, so this one also, okay, is a dangerous. Okay, so it's a danger. So we see about server dynamic. Okay, so server dynamic, okay, it's a company that is, you see the P&L also 310, 380, revenue 2.7, 3.3, 4.5, 6 billion, right? Okay, it's going up, and net also, net profit also going up. Okay, so this one, okay, of course, okay, it's a lower risk. Okay, lower risk. Lower risk and possible lower gain. Okay, but this is the safest, okay, investment that for an investor to take for a long-term investing, right? For a long-term investment, this is the better investment to take. Okay, because this one is less risk. Okay, if you want less risk, okay, safer investment is this. Okay, the other two is riskier. Okay, this is for long-term, because you see the AirAsia, right? AirAsia, all those got rebound, but only a few months, then it go back down. We are talking about 1 year. We are not talking about the shorter term. Okay, 1 year and above, possible this one, because we don't know COVID, what happened with COVID, or even the next recovery, right? Next recovery phase, the price might go up. Okay, short term, maybe a few months it go up. Then we cannot for sure say that, okay, the COVID will not come back. Okay, we don't know. Okay, the COVID maybe we can bring it down again to maybe 1,000, 2,000. Okay, then maybe the fourth wave will come. Okay, so we don't know. So that is a higher risk. Okay, this is a better investment. So now, of course, we want to talk about the chart. Okay, so Asia, okay, big drop. We talk about the here, right? We talk about take profit over here before it drops. So it really big drop. Okay, it looks like possible. Okay, reaching the bottom again. Possible reaching the bottom. Okay, so this one, we don't know yet when is the bottom. Okay, the price is still, okay, the uptrend is still okay, still not bad. Okay, still not bad, but we do have to note that Asia is running out of cash, right? Okay, so they are doing a lot of exercise to gather cash. So this is high risk. Genting Malaysia got a lot of cash, but the price is still coming down. Okay, the price is coming down, and we don't know how long. Okay, when will it do the V-shaped recovery? Okay, but there is possible a V-shaped recovery. But you see, the previous V-shaped recovery is a January towards March. Okay, January 25th towards March 18. So the run is only like 2 months. Okay, so talk about 1 year. This is very uncertain in 1 year time. Okay, this is very uncertain in 1 year time. So we talk about server dynamic. Okay, you see this is consistent. Okay, it's in the channel, consistent. Okay, it's not violent as the other two. So this one, okay, buy the bottom channel, sell the top channel, buy the bottom channel, sell the top channel. See, but the gain, you cannot expect a lot of gain. So when it reach the top channel, right? Okay, 34%. Okay, not bad. Okay, 34%. Whereas AirAsia, when it the previous spike, AirAsia, we want to see AirAsia. I think this will be a very long video. Okay, 88%. The previous spike is 88%. So we call it halfway, we call it over here. Okay, remember I thought we call it over here because we don't predict the low. Okay, don't predict the low. Nobody know where is the low. We want to see the V-shaped recovery. So we want to be at the right side of the trend. Okay, when the big boys want to bring it up, we follow. Okay, don't predict the low. A lot of people predict the low, okay, but the price is not the low. It go lower, finish. Okay, remember we buy it here. Towards the top is 63%. So I sold it a bit lower here, around 50% when it start to, when it start to show weakness. Okay, I back 50% out of this. Okay, and I also highlighted this, right? Okay, for the previous video, you check out my previous video, and I talk about here and here. I talk about the exit, right? Around 50%. And okay, so you see the genting. Okay, the previous spike, the whole spike is 40%. Okay, 40%. And okay, server dynamic. Okay, do have you compare up, right? Server dynamic looks like a good investment. Okay, solid, profitable. Okay, and potential. Okay, potential gain. We want to wait for it to rebound, right? Slight rebound possible. Only we want to buy, right? We don't want to predict the bottom, right? So we want to wait for some rebound, maybe a rebound about around here. Okay, 25%. Okay, possible 25%. After a rebound, we want to recognize a rebound. Okay, a rebound show a certain momentum of rebound, then only we buy. Okay, around 28, 26%. Okay, if it does rebound, right? So okay, this is the risk and reward that we want to be safe. Of course, we cannot get those type of AirAsia type of profit. Okay, but AirAsia, as I said, AirAsia, if they are unable to get enough fund to support them, they might go down. So that's the problem, right? So this one is safer, okay, but less gain. Okay, so this one you have to decide. Okay, what you want to do? You want to be safe. Okay, potential less gain, or you want to take risk. Okay, potential higher gain. Okay, so this one is up to the investor. Okay, so this is only what I can say. Okay, this one talk about right, talk about there's other party want to short sell the stock. Yes, that's why. Okay, let them do what they do. We follow and see what happen. This one asks about the steel stock. Metal stock. metal stock already now metal stock is all in correction already take profit okay. Enju already take profit area now in correction. E-metal, okay, take profit area, okay, we reached first take profit, second take profit higher. If not, now it's in correction, okay. Chevtech also, okay, already reached take profit. If didn't take profit, now it's correction. So what I see, the long-term trend is still uptrend, okay. It haven't broken the long-term uptrend yet, okay. The trend is still uptrend, okay. Still means the price, okay, gradually, okay, should be still going up unless it breaks certain, okay, it breaks the trend line here, okay, it breaks up, okay. So now in correction, we don't know how far it will correct, okay. Maybe it will continue to go correct down, but now already reached the previous top, the current top already reached, okay. Means that for these few weeks, right, okay, the Goring already reached the top, okay. Now it's coming back down, okay. How far it will go, we have to wait. Okay, so we have to wait a few more days to see, provide us clarity, provide us a chart pattern, okay, a chart pattern like this, okay, like this, right, okay, it gives us a chart pattern, okay, a pattern, then a breakout, okay, we want to wait this one to form something like this, then only provide us with clarity, we can see clearly now, okay, what it's doing, then only we want to top, because we don't want to predict here what it will do, okay, temporarily, okay, it's in a correction for all the other metal stock. Okay, this one ask about Maybank. This one Chia, right? TENANGA, Maybank, PETGAS. TENANGA, nothing happening, still got on a downtrend. There's no sign that it's okay. There's sign that it might be at the bottom, but there's no sign that haven't tell us that it's going up. Okay, so this one don't do anything, but possible maybe already hit the bottom. Okay, so this is doing a pattern. We want to see what happened to this pattern, a break above or a break below. A break above possible, okay, possible there's an opportunity to U-turn, okay. A break below, then should be continue to go down. Maybank, sorry, not public bank. So Maybank, right? Currently it's in a downtrend. Okay, it's in a downtrend channel. It started this channel. So unless the price can break above this one, okay, 8.34. Okay, if it can break above 8.34, okay, then possible there's opportunity to continue go up. Okay, if the price cannot break above 8.34, okay, so most likely it's continue to go down. Okay, so we want to monitor 8.345. Okay, a break above with volume, okay, then possible, okay, buy. Okay, so now, okay, earning is coming soon, right? Earning coming soon. Looking at this, okay, looking at this pattern here, right? They don't expect a very big, okay, very big result. Okay, if they expect a very big result, right, like here, right? Okay, the price would have already spiked, okay, prior to the, okay, but nothing for sure. Okay, only because the market now, the market is very careful. Okay, the market is very careful because of the MCO and the COVID infection, right? Okay, even they get a big result, right? Not necessarily this one will go up. Okay, because their bank is still worried about the recovery of the loan, right? A lot of loan, right, that could be suspended or postponed, right, due to the COVID infection, right? A lot of people might not be able to repay their loan, right? So this is the worry in the banking sector now. Petronas gas also not doing well. I already talked about Petronas gas. I remember. 1 or 2 weeks back. Okay, 1 or 2 weeks back. So Petronas gas is still on a downtrend. Okay, it's still on a downtrend channel. So until it can break out from this channel, then we maybe want to go bullish. But now for me, it's still bearish. Okay, I'm still bearish on Petronas gas. And there's one more question about this. This is a follow-up question. Did I miss anything? About John Matthews about this channel. They talk about. Thank you, trading. Thank you, brother, for your detailed explanation. Hopefully, it breaks the long resistance and form a upwards channel. Okay, great. I believe the glove boy are heavily manipulated. Yes, it's heavily manipulated. The big boys in the market, the big fund in the market is manipulating their stock, of course. Okay, if not, of course, their stock would at least stabilize, right? So, but nonetheless, okay, on the side note, knowing that these gloves are being booking profit coming QR, right? Even factoring the ASP tempering off, however, still above pre-COVID level. Why aren't market big fund moving the glove market parallel to fundamental? As a matter of fact, PE value of Ergobloy are below historical valuation. Okay, I need to drink water really shortly. Okay, so here, right, we are doing technical analysis. Okay, for me, this is not financial advice, right? For me, okay, I don't predict what the big boys are doing. Okay, I follow because most of the time, what the big boys are trading against us. Okay, they are not trading with us. Okay, why people lost money and where the money goes, right? And the big boys, okay, if we can predict what the big boys are doing, right? So a lot of people will be making a lot of money. Then, but why majority of traders, right, investor lost money, okay, and how the funds, big funds can can keep growing. They are making money out of the retail traders, right? So retail traders very dangerous to guess what the big boys are doing. Okay, we never know what they're doing, and for me, what they want to do, I let them do. Okay, they want to bring the market up. Okay, big boys want the market up, I follow. Okay, I follow, I buy. Okay, big boys want to throw the market down. Okay, I sell. Okay, but Malaysia be difficult to short sell. Okay, so we don't sell. Okay, in forex we sell, of course. Okay, we don't sell. But when we see this pattern form, right, we sell. Okay, or sideways. Okay, suddenly a breakout. Okay, big volume, big volume. Okay, the big boys are in to push. Okay, so we follow. Okay, we don't want to predict. Let them do what they do, and what they do normally we don't understand because they are the one that they have the people that come out from the chart analysis, chart technician, CPE, CPT. They got all their uh, uh, university graduate, doing all this calculation for them, and most of the time we don't understand, okay, because we are not, okay, uh, doctor professional in uh, financial analysis, professional in charge, a professional in financial analysis, financial in accounting, all this, right? Okay, so if we cannot do all those things, okay, the simple way is we follow the chart. The chart show us what the big boys are doing. We follow the big boys are doing, right? Although, okay, although I do have a professional master, right? So leave that one aside. we focus on a technical chart. Okay, so okay, let me show you quick. Okay, top glove. You want to talk now? We want to talk about glove. Okay, so a lot of trader, okay, they want to predict what the big boys are doing. Okay, they predict the bottom. This is what, okay, a lot of trader, okay, what's so dangerous is they predict the bottom. They think this is the bottom, they think it's the bottom, okay, they think here is the bottom, okay, so they went in. Okay, but then the big boys say no, this is not the bottom. Okay, I want to push it to 3.5. Okay, so the price continue to come down, come down, come down. So these are all the people that get caught trying to predict the bottom, because we never know what the big boys want to do. If we can know what the big boys want to do, okay, what the big fund want to do, okay, and we can beat them, right, at their own game, right, then everybody will be rich. Okay, so but why most of a lot lah, not saying most, a lot of the traders, market traders, a lot of investors, okay, they lose money. Okay, very very rare I hear, okay, anyone that came to the channel, all these tell me that they make money. Okay, they make money. Those make money probably might not follow my channel, right? Okay, but that is another topic to talk about. Okay, so we want to, okay, so a lot of time we predict, okay, like here also, okay, it could be the bottom, as I said. Okay, I don't want to say this confirm is the bottom, it's a time to buy in. Because time to buy in, I want to see a break. Okay, a break. Here is one break. Okay, so there's possibility to go here, 6.12. I already talked about this. Okay, so it happened, but then it got pushed down. Okay, now it is sideways. For me, I'm looking at the sideways. I look at the chart, I don't want to bias, think of who is right now, who is wrong now, who should be buying, who should not be buying. I let the chart tell me where it want to go, where likely it want to go. Okay, then I follow. Okay, so that is how I do. Okay, maybe, okay, you have certain information, of course, like our leaders here, James. Maybe you got certain information, you got an edge. Okay, you got certain information, or you got some reliable sources that tell you, okay, the big boys want to go in. Good, better. Okay, if you have advantage on your side, it's better. Okay, so even though for me, okay, even though I have the news, okay, I have investment in information, okay, from some of my friend, okay, some sources, but still I look at verify the chart. I want to, at the end, I want the chart to tell me, okay, this is the right move or this is the wrong move. Okay, I hope that answer your question. Okay, thank you. Okay, and not to say, okay, I'm always confirm, I'm always the right. There is many, okay, many views, okay, many opinion out of us, out of a certain trend, okay, certain stock movement, why it comes down, why it comes up. This is only my opinion of what I see on the chart, okay, what I think. Okay, this is not financial advice, and this is not the only thing, only advice, okay, in the world that, okay, to explain that what has happened, okay, to this stock, okay, to the glove stock. But for me, okay, I let the big boys do their job. What they want to do is up to them. They want to bring it up, they want to bring it down, fine. Okay, I don't want to argue with them. But once I see they do their, once I see they show their hand, then I join. Okay, whether they want to bring it up or bring it down. That is all I do. Okay, in the chart analysis. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay safe from COVID. Selamat Hari Raya. Bye bye.